To start designing, click on the Draw tool icon to define your design area. Please note that for flat roof products, it is important to outline the entire rooftop area for proper wind tunnel application. When you're done, double-click or hit Escape to close the area. The thicker line indicates the south edge or the eave edge of your design and serves as the edge along which your array is to be aligned. If you need to, you can change the selected line by clicking on the other edges. Click on the Edit icon to enter edit mode and make small changes if you need to. You can click the tool again to add multiple design areas in one project. If you make a mistake, hit the Delete icon to start over. Click on the Edit symbol on the design area to open Area Details. Once this is done, you can start placing modules into areas. For some systems, like the residential solar mount flush, you may need to define the roof's pitch within this menu before you can continue. With the Add Module tool selected, click and drag within an area to add your solar array. This automatically organizes the array into tables. Click and release on a spot to add a single module. On some pitched roof designs, such as the solar mount flush system, you may have the ability to use the Module Orientation tool, which allows you to choose between a portrait or landscape placement of your panels. To remove modules, switch to the Remove Modules tool. Clicking on one module with this tool will remove it, while clicking and dragging over an array will remove multiple modules. Hitting Populate Roof will automatically fill the design area with modules, arranged in the best way to fill the space. To instantly delete all modules and start over, hit the Clear Array button. Click Back to exit the design area. With the same method, you can access other design areas to add modules. You can also enter the design areas again if you need to edit any module placements. Once you have finished designing your layout and you are satisfied with all the details, you can click on Continue to move on to the next part of UBuilder, the parts list and engineering sections.